What's up, my people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching this video from. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Welcome to new week, guys. Welcome to my channel, Verydarkman TV. This matter with the between Verydarkman and King Mitchy never finish. You like the missing clip of when Verydarkman brought Boy up on TikTok live to talk about King Mitchy. Now remember when King Mitchy made apology to Verydarkman, say he's sorry for wetin he do. Now Verydarkman come outside talk about the apology video where he do say if anything happen to am, may they hold King Mitchy. Say that apology wey he do, they just use and push, say then get batting for am. Now King Mitchy can't talk for the video wey Verydarkman do. King Mitchy react after Verydarkman rendered her apology, saying it was Boy that asked her to apologize, and she said, "First of all, Boy asked me to apologize to you and gave me the reason which I sincerely saw sense in. He told me exactly what I said to you. He helped me shoot the video and wrote the caption and posted it himself, because personally I never felt the need to come out just yet." According to what Boy said, he told King Mitchy to apologize to Verydarkman and the people that involved. Like, let's be sincere, guys. This girl to the talk, then tell you say me you apologize. The next thing, now you can come outside and say na Boy. Now they tell you say me you apologize. See wetin can happen now. See wetin can happen. When person tell you say me you apologize, you go meet am for house. Now do video finish, you apologize. See wetin happen. I pray no get anything for, like, no even get issue with Verydarkman, because this clip wey Verydarkman just release, so I shock. Like this ta wey dem dey do, so I shock. Like, no bro, may you get issue with Verydarkman because evidence shock. Like, e shock, but normally Verydarkman no need am. You no need am. This girl na small girl now. You don't need am. Why can't they release that sound? Maybe after the apology video, now the sound come fall. Like, it shocked me. Let's see the video, guys.
She made the first video and she said, "Anto the Oni of Ife." I said, God forbid. You can't say Anto the Oni of Ife. You have to say Daddy. I didn't know who he was. Now you know. So you have to do it correctly. And apologize to VDM, because in their own, you know, find your trouble. Now you find trouble. So you have to apologize. If you're apologizing, then you have to apologize to everybody that you have dragged into this. She said, okay. When she was done apologizing, she said, and again, one of the biggest problems that she has is the girl that is with her. You know, the small lady that is with her is her biggest problem. Because the girl doesn't have people that have sense around her.
О, Господи!
Wait.
Let's go. Wait. I want to tell you something.
Wait. Okay, I beg. Hey. I don't want to hear you. I beg. You don't talk your own. Now, let me explain. I beg.
Let's go.
Это глубокий массаж. Конечно.
Abby.
Let's go.
Then you can say, Mitchy.
First off. That's not how I sound. Bro, that's not how I sound, please.
How do you sound?
I'm cute, man.
How do you sound now?
So I should do it.
I don't know. I play this thing now.
You don't. Then play the video again.
Okay.
It's go.
Yeah, food.
No.
MB. 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 On your camera now.
Oh boy, I'm new to this place and they come and they find them. Yay!
Advisor, I see you there. I see you there.
Talk.
I see you there. Person where post on your FIFA chat. Now you go the advice. You know, normally you look smart. I know in closed door you are a mumu, right? But now you shouldn't. You have to really be careful, you know. For real though, you have to really be careful. You have to be careful of these people.
Can I ask you a question?
What is the question?
Before now, did I not call you to beg for this?
Wait, Nas boy, hold on. You know, do you see the way I look? Did you see that I'm not all about, I don't look like this is, so now here's what I want to say, bro. If you're talking to me on this live, brother, out of respect, I better know they lick your lips. I no be gay. Don't try that again, please. If you want to talk, just go straight, you just talk. But all those, bro, man, you can't be putting saliva in your mouth and talk to me, man. Please. Yeah, let's talk normal now. Please, I beg you, yeah?
President,
So, bro, you can go. Yeah, bro.
before now, have I called you, before this time, have I called you to beg for this girl before?
Of course you did. But that time, it say you want spank and yash. The yash.
Concerning me and her, bro. So this girl reached out to me with a video from myself and Ukiki saga. So when she reached out, she said, "I like you. You talk very intelligently." I said, "Thank you." You understand? And too many times I've wanted to.
Wait, what are you saying? Like she reached out to you?
Yeah.
And said she likes the way you sound.
You talk very, bro. You're about to say nonsense. I can see your face. I can see your face. Don't say nonsense, please. I'm begging you, stop, please. So she reached out.
Wait, hold on. Somebody na ST, you go be NB, nice boy. So NB called me, NB called me and told me, NB called me. Oh my God, NB.
Oh my, let me be serious.
Okay.
So she said she wants to talk to me over the phone. I said no.
MB.
Bro, I think I be the comedian.
Nah, bro, just go on.
So I said, okay, don't, let's not talk over. Can I continue?
Oh, bro, go on.
Okay, I don't want to talk over the phone, right? It will be preferred if can she come and meet me? This was like around like 12.
Wait. You said she come meet you.
Bro, I'm going out of this life. I'm going away. Bye.
No, yeah, tell me. Yeah, sorry. MB, sorry.
So I said, come through. So she came, and when she came, I told her that your biggest problem in this life is you. You talk too much. And first off, I advised her, stop talking too much. You know what bust my head? I gave her instances. Right? Do not do this. Just go apologize. Simple. The moment you apologize, you understand? Mean it. You have to mean it. She said, no. I said, you have to apologize. First off, you call yourself a leader and you're coming out here to take, what's it called? You're taking substance in front of kids. You need to apologize for that. Apologize for doing that. You're a leader. People are following you. When I was done advising her, she made the video, and when she showed me a ChatGPT apology, and I said, nah, the apology that they were supposed to use the next day. I said, no, don't use ChatGPT. The apology has to come from your heart. Don't use ChatGPT. It has to come from your heart. Then she said, okay.
Like, guys, let's be sincere. Everybody knows say King Mitchy no get secret. She too dey talk. Like, she too dey talk. Person tell you say make you apologize. When Verydarkman said that apology video where you do say na trap, na ifora, you can still come outside say you no even mean and say you won't apologize. Say na nice boy, na he tell you say make you apologize. This clip, this sound where Verydarkman just released, so like, it no make sense. It don't really make sense. Like, is it what I'm thinking you guys is thinking? Now, nice boy, now you record the sound because I don't really understand. You and a person they do something, another person can see the secret. We know they there. How Verydarkman can't get the sound? It no make sense. Let's be sincere, guys. We call it secret. It no make sense. Like, I pray but you no get problem with Verydarkman, because if you get something with Verydarkman, your nyash go come outside. Your nyash go come outside. Let me know your thoughts on this video, and please don't forget to drop your comments. See you guys in my next post. Thanks for watching.